Hi everyone, my name is Zach Archer. I'm 21 years of age from Neath and I'm a 4-time Talent Search Cymru finalist. For the live finals, I'm looking at bringing a lot of passion, diversity and a high energy performance. I'm also really looking forward to my duet with Kelly, as she is somebody who I've known for a number of years and someone who I've really admired both as a person and as a performer. She's absolutely incredible and I cannot wait to share the stage with her. Entering Talent Search Cymru for me this season has really gone a long way to boosting my confidence, helping me with my mental health and above all just helping me fall back in love with music again. I'd like to quickly thank Joey, Kelly, Louise and absolutely everybody at Talent Search Cymru for everything that they've done for me, not only this season but over the years as well. I would not be where I am right now vocally or performance wise if it wasn't for you, and you're all fantastic people, so thank you so much for everything that you've done for me. That is all from me. Best of luck to everybody in the final, and to everybody watching, please go and support the other 5 because they are all absolutely fantastic. Over and out. See you at the finals.